Hi everyone, this is Professor Hawkins. I want to do a couple problems of order of operations. Now, you probably have already heard of the saying, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So this is what we call a mnemonic device, and it helps you to remember how to perform the order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So the letters mean something. So the P for please means that we're going to do parentheses first in all the grouping symbols. Parentheses and grouping symbols. So the E for excuse, we're going to do the exponents. Now the M and D, these go together. My dear. Multiplication for the M and division for the D. So we're going to do multiplication and division from left to right, whichever comes first. Multiplication and division from left to right, whichever comes first. Again, multiplication and division starting at the left, going to the right, whichever comes first. And finally, we have AD in the please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So that's addition and subtraction from left to right, whichever comes first. Addition and subtraction from left to right, whichever comes first. So let's do two problems. So here's our problem. -3 plus -6 divided by 3. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So let's go through. Any parentheses used for grouping. We have parentheses right here. Okay? But this parenthesis is only used to separate the sign of this number from this plus. So we don't have anything inside the parenthesis to do. So I'm going to put a check there. Excuse. For exponents. Do we have any exponents? No. My dear. Multiplication and division from left to right, whichever comes first. So let's go to the left. I start here and I scan. Oh, here is some division. I need to do that. Okay? So this is -3 plus. Now, a negative divided by a positive is a negative. So that's a -2. Now notice I'm using a grouping symbol to separate the operation, which is plus, and the sign of the number, which is -2. Okay? All right. Now once we complete something, then we just continue to see what is left. The only thing that's left is a plus. A -3 plus a -2 is a -5. Okay? All right, let's look at a second problem. All right, now, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So we have to do parentheses and any grouping symbol. Okay? So here are our parentheses. Now this time we have something inside the parentheses to do. Okay? So I need to do this. I keep this. I do this parenthesis, which is 0. Put my parenthesis, put my exponent there, plus I do this parenthesis, which is 4, and put my exponent. See, that's what that looks like. I have taken care of the parentheses. Now I need to do my exponents. This is an exponent. 0 cubed is 0. I no longer have the parentheses because I've taken care of this exponent. Plus 4 squared is 4 times 4, not 4 times 2, and that's 16. I've taken care of that. Any multiplication and division? No. Any addition and subtraction? Yes. -0 is the same as 0 plus 16, which is 16. Okay?